Today we are going to do a comparison between the Flite-Test VersaWing Pusher and the Flite-Test VersaWing Pooler. So without further ado, let's get into the video and see which type of VersaWing will be the fastest. First things first, we went ahead and built our Flite-Test VersaWing. Now once we had the airframe built, we went ahead and attached the PowerPack C motor with a 35 amp ESC. And once we had all of our electronics in there, we threw on a 1500 milliamp 4-cell battery. So here are the comparisons between Pusher and Pooler on a 4-cell battery with the VersaWing. Starting off with the Pooler conversion, we had a maximum speed of 82.7 miles per hour. Now on the Pusher conversion, surprisingly, it only came out with 71.9 miles an hour. So despite the Pusher conversion seeming to be faster and seeming to be more sleek, it is in fact the slower of the two by nearly 10 miles an hour. That's all for today. If you would like to see more of these speed test videos, please consider subscribing and comment down below what plane you would like to see next. Other than that, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.